Hello and welcome to the Jonathan Acuna Show. Today, we're going to be talking about how to use ClickUp as a CRM. This one I'm super excited because ClickUp is so powerful that it literally manages my business, my life. It helps me stay on top of every task. It is so powerful. And the fact that you could tailor it as a CRM, it has 5 powerful features in there that I'm going to demo and show to you of why I think it makes it a great CRM to start off. But let's level set. What is a CRM and why do we need it? So if you want to grow your revenue, you need to keep track of all your contacts, your deals, your opportunities. All of that information is a CRM. It basically leads or people that are interested in your product or service reach out to you. A CRM is a database or a list of all those people that are interested in your product or service, and you work those leads into either a closed win or a closed loss. And so CRM is going to help you stay organized. It's going to help you drive sales. It's going to help build longer, deeper relationships. Your leads or your customers are going to be impressed because they're like, man, he remembers all these details and he's so organized. Well, of course, because you got ClickUp, yo. So let's check this out. So let's start off with a template because John, I want to use ClickUp as a CRM, but I don't want to build it from scratch. Where do I go to get a template? Don't worry, I got you. So in the link below, there's a free link to get this template, which you see right here. Show you where this comes from. This is on ClickUp's website. I just chose their simple CRM. Very simple just to start off, and I just added that to my library. So in here, this is basically what it gives you. If we look on the left-hand side, we could see down here we have demo and a simple list there. So zoom up. So here we can see a list of our leads in our different stages. So this is pro tip number 1 of why I love CRM. I love ClickUp as a CRM. So pro tip number 1 is you get these stages. These stages or statuses are going to help you track their lead all the way from when they're new, their lead, to when they're an opportunity, they're qualified, to eventually close win or close loss. So statuses is the number 1 tip right there. That's going to keep your pipeline nicely and organized so you can see at a glance which deals you've lost, which deals you've won, which deals are in an opportunity right now, and which ones are brand new leads that just came into your pipeline. So that's really cool there. Pro tip number 2 of why I love ClickUp is you can create custom fields to remember all the important information about every lead. For example, if I open this first one, say Victoria, for example, we can see all the information related to Victoria. So if we scroll down, we can see the ad. No, it's not her address. We can see the address. We can see what company she clicks at. We can see how confident we as a sales rep are in closing this deal. We have her email, the estimated value of the opportunity, her phone number, and then just an extra stage if we want to track micro stages. But that is really powerful. While we're here, I want to jump into number 3 pro tip, which is keeping track of all communication and sync it so right here on the right hand side, this is a history log of everything that's happened to this lead. When did you create them? When did you send the email? When did they reply? When did you follow up? You can have a whole history of all the activity, and that's incredibly powerful for your CRM. Also powerfully right here is super cool, is you can email them directly from here. You could send them an email from ClickUp, they'll receive it, and if they respond, you'll see the respond email come up right in here. So you could communicate by email without even leaving ClickUp. That's incredibly powerful to keep track of all the emails and how they're tied to all the deals. That's powerful, which leads us to pro tip number 3, which is ClickUp is very powerful because it integrates with 2 very powerful apps. They integrate with a lot, but there's 2 very powerful ones that are essential as your CRM. And the first integration is with your email. So I could send and receive emails from ClickUp. So that's pro tip number 1 or pro 1. The second one is integrations with my calendar. So I have, if we go to zoom out and we go to my homepage, we could see a timeline of what I'm working on or what I should be working on right now. And so from here, I can manage my entire calendar, and this syncs with my Google Calendar. So I have all my events and tasks all organized on here. It makes it super easy to time block. So I can keep track of all the leads and everything, and this syncs with my calendar. And it's two-way. So if I update it in my calendar, it will also update it here. So that's pro tip number 3 is integrations, which makes it super powerful that this app isn't just one app alone. It integrates with your calendar, with with your email. Like that's super powerful. Um, Pro tip number 3. This one is super powerful. I'm very lazy. I don't want to enter every new person that comes into my that's interested in my product or service. So you have, as pro tip number 3, a form that you could create for new people to easily fill out. It gives them a URL. You could send this URL anywhere. If they fill out that information, they'll automatically get entered into your CRM. So when if I enter name, Bruce Wayne, phone number, email, and address, that is going to show up right here, automatically entered, and you did nothing. That's incredibly powerful to have new leads come in and already entered into your CRM without you having to manually enter or import. That's powerful. Let's move on to pro tip number 4 of why I love this. 3 or 4, starting to lose count, is automations. And for automations, I want to show you just this screenshot to give you an idea because I haven't built any automations. So we could do some really cool automations like, say, for example, when a task is created, so a new lead comes in, automatically send an email out saying, hi, welcome email. Hi, my name is Jonathan Cuneo. Welcome to our business. These are our products and services. This is how we can offer or how we can help you. So that's, you didn't do anything. They fill out a form automatically, went into your CRM, and your CRM automatically sent them an email without you even, you're in bed, you're sleeping happily, not even worried, and your CRM is working for you. That's powerful. Another example is, say, for example, when a status changes, you could change the ownership or who is assigned to this task. So say a new lead comes in, you're going to assign that to your sales rep automatically. That sales rep works that deal, and when the deal becomes closed won, it will automatically change assignment to, say, your customer success, the person who's going to onboard that person into your business or product or service, for example. Like that automation, that's incredibly powerful. Any tool, hands down, you have to, when you select a tool, especially for your CRM, you always want to make sure the tool has some form of automation capabilities where you can build automation to update fields, to change things, to trigger automations like send an email, like, oh, it's going to improve your productivity so much. Like, oh, I'm just amazed at that. But that's forms. That to me is like really powerful. So I think that's 4. Let's see. So we did communications, we did integrations. You have custom fields to remember all the details. Let's do automation number 6. Let's do bonus. Is dashboards and reporting, because it's one thing to have all of this, just a list of data. What if you want to see a pie chart to see how valuable your pipeline is, because you have all these opportunities and you want to see information on your leads, like who's selling the best, who's selling the most. You can have dashboards where if we click here and we go to dashboards, this was just a simple one that I built. So here we could take a look at our opportunity pipeline, and we could see that, oh, we have 1 opportunity we lost. We have 2 leads. We have 2 in our opportunity pipeline, and we won 1. Congratulations. We could also see if I had a team of all different sales reps. Right now, it's just me. We could see how are they performing every month. How many opportunities did Jonathan, the sales rep, close? Well, he closed one at $205,000. It's going to be a good month. And so then we could even scroll down to see tracking this over time. So we can see today we lost a $30,000 deal. Ouch. But we also got a new lead, and new lead's about worth $70,000 until we close. We'll see. And then we also closed an opportunity at $255,000. That was a good day. Like, wow. And so here, you as a manager can see a pipeline of your sales reps, the performance. Like this is incredibly powerful. So that's like number six is using dashboards and reporting. That is whenever you look for tools, always look for dashboards and reporting. It's going to help you as a manager or a leader or a business owner keep a live pulse on your business, so you can respond quickly and efficiently rather than waiting for a fire. Let's finish it off with bonus point number seven, and I really like this one. This is really cool, especially for sales reps that if you have addresses, for example, and or if you're a real estate rep, for example, let's say I want to see the address of all my leads. So, say for example, we have Victoria, Noah, and Isabel. We won these opportunities, and we also have information we saved around where their address is. Not real address, but if you save your address in a lead, you can see on a nice map automatically enhance, 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 more. You can see where those leads are. That's really cool. And if you click on it, you can see, oh, there's no repeaters. It came from my demo space under my simple CRM list. There's Noah. We won this opportunity. It was owned by Jonathan. Like, amazing. If I click that, it'll take me directly to that task in Notion. And that is pro tip number seven. We get the power of using maps all in one. And pro tip number eight, why not, since we're here? How about a Kanban board to keep you organized? I want to see a nice list of all my leads, what opportunities I have, how many I've won, and then leads and disqualified, lost, and won. Like, or closed. Like, I love Kanban boards to like make it easy to just drag and drop. Like, oh, we're staying organized. Oh, I think that is just powerful. Oh, ClickUp is a great CRM to get started off. So, if you're looking to get trained on how to use ClickUp for yourself or for your business, you can click the link below and join me in one of my workshops where I'll show you step by step on how to get the most out of ClickUp. I'm Jonathan Acuna. It is always good to see you. Man, this one is like the 14th time I had to record this one, but rocking it out. I love this. It's great to see you. I want to see you definitely in the next episode. I'll see you later. Stay blessed.